welcome back. We've dipped into the red for the Nifty 7711, which means from the high, we've nearly given up close to about 50 points. Very sharp fall in the last 5 minutes or so. Pull up the Bank Nifty. The cut is largely coming through over there. So the Bank Nifty, led by stocks like a Bank of Baroda, has seen a very sharp decline. The weakness extends into the mid-cap space as well. So now the mid-cap index is down 1.5% with names like a Crompton Greaves, an IOB, a Unitech, a Bombay Dyeing, NCC. Pick any of these high beta names and these stocks are showing you a very sharp decline. So once again, the resistance level of 7750 to 7800 has acted as a bit of a hindrance. But we just have time to answer a few personal finance queries. Harsh Roongta joins in. Hi Harsh, thanks for joining in into the studio. Our first query is Sagar Shirode, who calls in from Pune. Hi Sagar.
Hi, I just wanted to know, is this the right time to invest? Because I want to invest around 10 lakhs. And which are the stocks or which investment would be good for me to around 6 to 1 year time frame?
Okay, so you're looking, generally Sagar, for a short term we recommend, safer investments like debt. So do you want a debt investment or an equity investment if you have a shorter time period like 6 months to 1 year?
Yeah, so whichever you suggest, like equity is also fine or...
Okay, no preference, what would you recommend?
Well, clearly, if your time frame, Sagar, is only 6 months or a year, then equity clearly is not recommended. I think you should leave that for people who do equity for a living. But if you want to invest only for 6 or 12 months, debt is the way to go. And in debt, assuming you are a high taxpayer, if your taxable income is more than 5 lakhs, then you should probably be looking at arbitrage funds. They pay out monthly dividends which are tax free, and therefore the returns are good if you are a high taxpayer. If you are not a high taxpayer, if your taxable income is less than 5 lakhs, then I think don't try to complicate it. I think bank FDs are pretty good, or you can look at ultra short term funds, etc. So I think that really would be the advice. Don't look at equity if your time frame is just 6 months or a year.
Okay, Harsh, completely ran out of time. Thanks very much for joining in and taking us through that query. Well, we have to wrap up halftime report, but do watch out for the market. 7700 is just holding by the skin of its teeth. Business Lunch will take all that action forward.